Hi, I'm Nino Giambalvo. More specifically, I'm Nino's AI avatar. And throughout this program, you'll see me practice what I teach. Before we go further, a bit of context about myself and what led me to build this program. I work with businesses and professionals like yourselves who want to take advantage of AI as an opportunity for professional growth by becoming AI literate and integrating it properly into the way you work. When large language models became widely accessible in 2023, I saw very quickly that this wasn't just another tool. It was something that would change how everyone works. Because I'm naturally quite system oriented, I started developing structured ways of working with AI that made me significantly more productive. At the same time, I saw many businesses immediately focusing on automation and human replacement. That's not what I'm interested in working on. I believe that for people to genuinely benefit from AI, they need literacy and practical experience. They need to understand how to work with it, not just automate around it. And in reality, the best results come when human expertise and AI work together. That's the foundation this program is built on. You've probably used AI already. You've seen it do useful things. The problem is usually consistency. Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's vague, and sometimes it sends you down a rabbit hole. This program is designed to change that, not by turning you into a technical builder, not by asking you to overhaul your business, and not by replacing you. The goal is simple: to help you leverage AI confidently in a structured way to accelerate the work you already do. And this won't happen overnight. As you move through the program, each part builds on the last. At the beginning, you're building confidence. You realize you can actually get good results. You start understanding what better input looks like and why some outputs work and others don't. Then you begin creating context, your voice, your method, your audience. You're not just using AI anymore, you're teaching it how you think and how you work. From there, you start building assistants around that context. And those assistants become structured ways of working with AI, not just one-off chats. Over time, you'll notice AI becoming part of how you operate. It supports your thinking, speeds up your execution, and helps you evolve the way you work step by step. So before you dive into the platform, I want to show you how to get the most out of this program from the start. This program is designed around action. Most lessons are supported by a dedicated AI assistant. You learn one thing, then you use the assistant to apply it straight away. For example, early on, you'll create your own language and voice guidelines. And you don't need to wait until you've built every other piece of context before you use it. If you're already drafting articles, emails, proposals, or internal notes with AI, you can bring that voice file into those chats immediately and ask AI to improve what you've written so it sounds more like you. This is where AI assistants come in. Each assistant gives you a structured way to work with AI, not just a blank chat box, but a guided workflow that helps you think, decide, and build properly. Think of this as capturing your expertise so AI can help you work and progress faster. Over time, you'll start to see assistants not as tools, but as repeatable ways of working. When that starts to click in place, you'll notice a real shift in how you work. Here's how you'll know it's making an impact. You're getting better outputs with less back and forth. You're reusing what you've built instead of rewriting prompts every time. AI starts fitting naturally into your real work: writing, planning, decision support, internal docs, client work, whatever your day-to-day looks like. The program is structured, but it's flexible. You can move through it step by step or jump to a lesson that's immediately relevant to what you're working on. You don't have to complete everything before it becomes useful. The value comes from applying what's relevant when it's relevant. I'm here to support you as you work through this. Every week, there are live sessions where I'm there in real time. That's your space to ask questions, test what you've built, and get help refining it. If you're unsure what to do next, bring that. If you've built an assistant or a context file and want help testing it or troubleshooting something, bring that. AI is meant to help you move faster. The live sessions are there to make sure you keep moving. You'll also notice that this program uses AI as part of its own delivery to help you move faster. It is also your opportunity to experience what's possible with AI. The lessons across this program are taught to you by me, Nino's video avatar, Nino AI. The ideas, standards, insights, structure, and these lessons have been carefully crafted by the real Nino. AI helps with the delivery so he can focus his time on live support, feedback, and helping you apply this properly whilst developing the program and his business further. In the next lesson of this orientation module, I'll explain how to navigate the community platform and find what you need quickly. Before you move on, the community would love to get to know you. Introduce yourself on the discussion page, just a couple of lines, what you do, what you want AI to help with, and what you're hoping to get out of the program.